Hi parents, you've made it through birth and home together as a new family. Along with my trusted partners in newborn care, Huggies, we're here to help you answer what's next. I've been helping new families for over 4 decades, and the first thing I teach is my Cath's wrap. Babies squirm and wriggle a lot, so keeping them wrapped during the early weeks allows them to feel safe and warm and calms the startle reflex. To begin, place the baby in the centre and at the top of a large muslin wrap. Next, gently place baby's left arm by its side, fold the wrap across the chest and secure under the baby's bottom on the right side. Repeat the process on the other side. Secure the baby's arms and against their chest. Now, to secure the mermaid towel, the end of the wrap. Fold the bottom of the wrap up and secure under the baby's arms. My top tip here is to ensure baby can move its hips and legs comfortably, so keep this fold tight but not too firm. Fold the left side of the wrap across and under the body. Repeat, wrapping the right side under and across the body. Twist the right end edge around and secure under the arms. So that's Cath's wrap. Your baby feels snug and warm, safe for feeding and sleep.